Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This is a Xenvo Pro macro and wide angle lens. It is a really high quality lens. It takes crystal clear images from edge to edge without those unwanted dark circles or corners. It is very practical to carry and have it with you at all times. It has its hard case. Another thing that I like about this product is the clip is strong enough that it won't easily fall off the phone whenever I'm moving, to get that perfect shot. And if you remove the wide lens, you will find the macro lens, which will take pictures with a great amount of details. This is actually the picture that I took. You can even see the fibers on the strip lashes. I'm a large artist, and it has elevated my social media game because I can show in detail my work, and my clients love it. Now, with the wide angle lens, I can still take a clear picture, but also adding more of the subject. Another thing that I like is that colors are bright, well defined when using this lens. And that's my point of view.